The National Police Commission says it now has feelers with substantial information on the alleged involvement of police officers in the abduction of at least 34 sabongeros or cockfighting enthusiasts. In a chance interview on Wednesday, July 9, NAPOLCOM Vice Chairperson and Executive Officer Rafael Calinisan says the feelers reached out to the agency a few days ago. Regarding how much the feelers knew about the case, Calinisan says,
Malalim yung gusto lumapit eh. Malalim. So let's see. Sana nga matuloy. Yung maaaring magtestimonya, mukhang isa, yung nagbibigay ng ibang impormasyon, marami. May sustansya. May sustansya. Malupit yung sustansya niya.
In explaining how the NAPOLCOM got into contact with the feelers, Calinisan says they reached out to the agency in a creative way. Asked if the feelers' information will corroborate the testimony of whistleblower Julie Patidongan, Calinisan answers that it might. However, he refuses to disclose details about the number or the identity of the feelers. Nonetheless, he assures the public that NAPOLCOM is ready to secure the feelers if they decide to come forward.
Totoo lang, sana mag-materialize yung kanilang paglapit. And hopefully, yung mga lumalapit na to makapag-produce ng affidavit at maging susi rin sa ating investigation.
The 34 sabongeros went missing between April 2021 and January 2022. In an interview aired over GMA News in June, Patidongan claimed that police officers were paid to abduct and kill the cockfighting enthusiasts. In response, NAPOLCOM launched its own investigation, vowing to impose administrative sanctions, including dismissal from service, on police officers proven guilty. This while the Department of Justice focuses on the criminal case. Philippine National Police Chief General Nicolas Dar III earlier confirmed that 15 police officers were placed in restrictive custody pending investigation in connection with the missing sabongeros. Meanwhile, in a separate chance interview on Wednesday, Torres says it will be a welcome development if any of the 15 cops will serve as a state witness.
If some of them will volunteer to be state witnesses or they've decided to tell all, then that will be a welcome development in the investigation. But even without that, we can solve this case.
Without giving specifics, the PNP chief also says they're already visiting other locations where the sabongeros may have been buried.
Meron na kami mga ilan na binibisita. May mga areas kami not only around Laguna or Batangas, but in other parts of the metro and other parts in the underlying areas. Saka namin i-detail.
Patidongan earlier claimed the victims were killed, tied to sandbags, and thrown into Taal Lake in Batangas.